Hello friends on Facebook, this is Yorio from Yoyo's Auto Service here in Las Vegas. I just wanted to show you and share something with you guys. I have a 2009 GMC Sierra with the 4.8 and the problem was the misfire number 4. So the customer replaced a tune-up, spark plugs, wires, but it didn't fix the problem. So I went and checked for the lifters. So the problem was in the lifters, and I'm going to show you what happened. This is a very common problem with the GMs and Chevys 4.8, 5.3. So the problem is with the lifters. I'm going to show you here. See how bad it is? So when a lifter is like that, you want to double check your cam. See how damaged right there, wear and tear right here, and this is how basically it's supposed to look like. Okay, so this is a very common problem, lifters, and if you have a misfire, a good chance your problem is going to be in the lifters, but check your cam is very sensitive when one of the lifters get damaged. So as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. All right, so hopefully help you and your project. We'll see you on the next video. Have a good day or night. Bye.